Check out this black beauty. Wow, 1956 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. Yes, real deal, Series 62 Coupe DeVille. Numbers matching, 365 V8 underneath the hood, or 6-liter. That's paired up with an automatic transmission. Power steering. Take a look at the chrome on the front of this Dagmar's grill. Just beautiful front end on these. As you can see, paint shows well. There's a few imperfections I'll kind of show as I go around it, but overall you can see the reflection from the ceiling and that black paint. Look at down that car. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the engine bay, the underside, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. This is the color the car would have came in when it was new, with the black exterior and the white and black interior. This appears to be possibly still factory cloth. Appears the front seats have been reupholstered. And we'll get around to the driver's side and start it up. We'll check out that interior a little closer. Let you hear it run. We'll take a peek at the engine bay. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can see how straight that thing is. Did notice, and if you can see it right here, it's kind of a real small, it's tough to get them to show up sometimes. There you can see it, just a little bit of a ding in the bottom of that door. Take a look at the chrome on the rear bumper. Of course, the gas fill would be hidden behind the taillight. A couple little spots where the paint has checked on it, right in there. One right in there. Being awful critical. A car that looks this good. Once again, check out the still pictures. Take your time. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there, and you can see up and down the driver's side also. Very nice and straight. Again, nice reflection coming off that black paint. I did notice, again, if I can get it to show up, kind of a little spot. Just a little bit of a thing right there. But look at the reflection coming off that paint. Wow. Also nicely optioned car. Of course, Coupe DeVille with the power windows. And this particular one has a heater also. Tinted glass. Power window switches, and those are working. I've had them all up and down. You'll see it up in the still pictures and one with them down. And also the power seat, which in 56 would have been the posture control seat option, which added more ways to move the power seat. Little wear obviously up here, but again, appears that that could be original leather. This cloth here is what I believe has been reupholstered. Take a look at the headliner. Good shape. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Something else I want to show you real quick is down here there is a battery shut off right here, and then you can take the key out. Right now the battery's shut off, dead, will not start. Turn this, we have power. Now you can turn the key here to start it. So kind of a nice safety feature, and battery shut off. I did have the wipers working, albeit they appear to still be vacuum operated. There's an AM/FM 8-track player, which is ironic when you think about it. An upgraded stereo in a 1956 is an 8-track AM/FM stereo. Powered up, but I did not get it to work. This stereo actually powered up also. So there's rear speakers for this, and this one powered up, but didn't get any stations in or any reception. So a little heads up on that. I'll slip around to the back so you hear this run. Of course, the exhaust exiting through the bumper. Speaking of which, you can kind of take a look at the condition. Lots of times, obviously, those rusted all out because of the moisture. Looking pretty good on this one. All right, I want to show you one other thing up in the front. I don't know if you noticed it when we were walking around. There is a cord right here. No, that is not for a block heater. It has an onboard battery charger that is wired up, and that's for plugging in for a battery tender. It could be removed if you don't want it there. It would take nothing to remove it, 5 minutes. So just a heads up on what that is. All right, I'm gonna pause this. Let's pop this hood open, check out the engine bay. Get a peek underneath the hood. And here it is. That number's matching. Original 365, 6-liter V8, power steering. You'll be able to see the VIN tag in the still pictures. You'll be able to see this pad right there with the stamped engine number on there also. So all that is in the still pictures. You can see that battery tender that's wired through here. Again, be very easy to disconnect that if you did not like that cord hanging out the front. I'm going to leave it on there. Maybe the next owner would like to have that tender ready and available and hooked up. So if you don't, we can unhook it. 1956 Cadillac Coupe DeVille Black Beauty. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1956 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. This is black with a black and white interior. It's a very nice looking car. Starts and runs very nice. Smooth idle. Temperature gauge is not coming up. Probably would be up by now, so that may be inoperative. Fuel reads 3/4. Speedometer does seem to work. The blower motor works. The AM radio, which looks original, also works. There's an FM radio under the dash. I've just picked up static with that one. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but we do wash our cars and the roads are primarily dry, so we can do these driving videos for you. Get up some speed, see what it feels like. It's very smooth on the road. It's not pulling either direction, it goes nice and straight. Little bit of play in the wheel, very normal for this age of car. You don't really feel it when you're driving. A little bit of wind noise around the seals, also probably pretty common. Really nice running vehicle. The wipers also work. Operating on vacuum. They move. They may need a little bit of work, but they do move. Definitely a car you should check out at uniqueclassiccars.com.